Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas wreath decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Viewers, friends, viewers, friends, Christmas is the season of love and joy. Today we are diving into the world of Christmas wreath, one of the most magical welcome element of holiday decoration. Whether you like rustic farmhouse charm, luxury glam, or simple minimal style gather 10 beautiful Christmas wreath ideas that will instantly transform your front door well or fireplace into a festive showpiece. Let's begin. Classic evergreen with the red bowl. Let's start with the most iconic look, a lush evergreen wreath with green conspiracy and a rich velvet bow. It's timeless, elegant, and instantly give your home that traditional Christmas feel. Hang it on a wooden door and watch the color pop. For its pin cones, no wreath. Take simple pin cones, spray them white and snow, arrange them in a circle base. The result of winter wonderland wreath that look like fresh, not just fell into fragile doorstep, perfect for nature, cozy style home. And the weavers, candle ring, table wreath. Friends, this one for the door, place it. And viewers, if you love this ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which what are you making this year's. Next time, stay creative, stay festive, and have a magical Christmas. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for watching my videos.